Hi, I'm Dr. Kanika Chandra. I am an ex-Manavsthalian, an associate consultant in Department of Preventive Health and Wellness. I'm also associated with palliative medicine in Sir Gangaram Hospital. I wish all the Manavsthalians, all the teachers, and beloved Mrs. Mamta V. Bhatnagar a very happy Founders Day. And may we all celebrate the vision, the philosophy of Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar. It is because of Sir and Madam's vision that Manavsthali has reached such great heights. And I wish Madam Mrs. Mamta V. Bhatnagar great health. May she remain in best of spirits and always be the Iron Lady that we have known her as. Really, all the best.
Hello everyone, I'm Gurpreet Kaur, 1992 batch alumni. A very warm greeting to the whole Manavsthali family. I would like to wish the Manavsthali fraternity a very happy Founders Day. This school has given me an opportunity that I will be forever grateful for. The traditions, the values, and the memories are some that I can keep for life. And I owe this to our Honorable late Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar sir. Manavsthali has always been a frontliner in heralding a new concept and a new way of thinking in the field of learning and education. Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar has played a crucial role in shaping us into true Manavs. He always believed that true education aims at building up an integrated personality, simultaneous and harmonious growth of body and mind, the senses and the spirit. I am proud to be a Manavsthalian and I wish all the very best to the Manavsthali fraternity. Thank you so much.
Good morning to all the teachers of Manavsthali School. I, a alumni of Manavsthali School, would really like to thank Sir on this Founders Day. Sir was a great personality. He taught us the value of time, the principles of life, and many more things. Today, what we are in the society, it's all because of the Manavsthali School and the family. I again thank you, the family of Manavsthali and respected Sir. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Sonia Sekri, batch 1991, and I feel graced to get this opportunity to be a part and express my gratitude for our Honorable Sir, Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar. I feel very proud when I say I belong to the institution, Manavsthali School, and here we are contributing to the institution's success, and our success stories are also because of the guiding light that we have received all our lives. Whatever we are, whatever will be, the credit and the onus, everything goes to the visionary sir who has always guided us, shown us the right path, and till date our inspiration for the lifetime. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am, for always inspiring and motivating us to do the best that we can. Humbled.
I, Radhika, an ex-Manavsthalian, also dance teacher of Bhatnagar International Summit, would like to pay tribute to Bhatnagar sir. We all know that he was a gem of a person, and today he has set up this huge empire with a lot of loyalty and hard work. Sir, I would just pray to God wherever you are, stay in peace and keep showering your blessings on us. Thank you, sir, for your support always.
Hi everyone, I'm Khushbu Jain, Doctor, Lady Hardinge Medical College, New Delhi, and it feels so nostalgic to come back to your roots. I passed out from Manavsthali School in year 2015 and it's been a roller coaster since then, but that's a story for another time. And happy Founders Day, sir. It's very important to find a person who leads you into the most crucial years of your life, and I cannot thank you enough, sir, for being there for all of us on the behalf of entire Manavsthali family. To have that passion which you have to inculcate all you say into my life, it's surely made me reach my fullest potential and become a better version of myself. And you've created such wonderful human beings, so many doctors, engineers, professionals who inspire me to become a better person every single day. I hope all of you are able to take his sayings to inculcate everything he has to say, and I hope all of you have a good day, and happy Founders Day again, and bye everyone.
A very good day to everyone. I'm Sachin Vadhavan. I passed out of Manavsthali School in 2010. Here on the occasion of Founders Day, I would like to talk about that one sentiment that characterizes each of my experiences at Manavsthali, and that is gratefulness. One of the most interesting things that happened at Manavsthali School is transformation of students into scholars. transformation of learning into creative expression. Knowing that I'm an alumni of Manavsthali School is extremely comforting. The nostalgia is satisfying to say the least. I would like to offer my huge thanks to our founder chairman Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar sir for helping and guiding us through right path in life. So those memories at Manavsthali would never fade, sir. Thank you very much.
Good morning, Manavsthali. I am Dr. Abhinav Agarwal. I was a student of the school from 1991 to 2002. I finished my class 10th in 2002. Subsequently, I ventured into medicine and currently I'm a practicing cardiologist at BLK Hospital in New Delhi. I completed my training in cardiology from All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, India. On this Founders Day, I would like to express my gratitude and thanks to Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar and Mrs. Mamta Bhatnagar for shaping the careers of innumerable students who have passed out from this school, and I wish them best of luck for the future. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Mithali Gupta. I am practicing as a lawyer in Delhi. I believe that the person that I am today, the things that I have achieved, the things that I am yet to achieve are a result of the platform, the opportunities, the exposure that my school was able to give me. And I think the only reason my school was able to act as that launchpad is because of the vision and the far-sightedness that Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar put into creating this institution. I think it was his hobbies, his desire to really build a unique, different world that bled into the curriculum that our school offered us. In particular, I am still in awe of how they managed to teach young kids FEIT and really take them on board and teach them how the real world works. And I remember when I was merely 10 years of age, my school sent me to the USA for a summer camp, CISV, and that was like a life-altering experience. And I think to have schools, to have institutions that provide you that platform is very rare. And people who have the vision to build such institutions, people who have the desire to really create a world like that, are also very rare. So I am extremely grateful to my school, and I'm extremely grateful to the people who built such an institution.
Hey guys, this is Devansh Kamboj, class of 2009. I guess graduated, and it's been like 12 years. But here I am just here to pay my gratitude to Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar, who laid this foundation of this great institution, Manavsthali School, and really glad to be a part of that. I am a content creator. I work majorly on Instagram and YouTube with my wife Maggie, so you can do check it out. My Instagram is Devansh Kamboj and YouTube is Dev and Maggie. So we work with a lot of brands and basically all the social media ecosystem, but I'm really glad to be a part of this Manavsthali ecosystem as well, and for all the teachers and everyone who just helped me and build my career and to give the knowledge that we needed at that moment. So really thank you, and really honored to be a part of this as well. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Karthikeya Batra, class of 2008, which means that I left the school 13 years back, but I still feel very much a part of the family. I am so honored and privileged to have been a part of the Manavsthali School setup. And this Founders Day, I want to pay my homage to Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar, the founder of this great institution who started it all. Well, I'm pursuing my PhD in economics, and in this particular field, there's a literature that talks about how countries, the way they grow today, how that's been impacted by institutions that were set up in these countries centuries ago. But something similar is true for the school, because the seeds that were sown by the founder, Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar, continue to bear fruit. And I guess we are all very privileged and honored to be a part of this ecosystem. Thank you so much.
Hi to my fellow Manavsthalians, and regards to all my teachers. My name is Vishal Khurana, and I graduated from Manavsthali School in the year 2007. I am working as a music director in the Indian film industry here in Mumbai. I wish you all a very happy Founders Day, and I would like to take this opportunity to fondly remember and thank Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar sir and thank Mrs. Mamta Bhatnagar ma'am, who were a great inspiration to me in my growing up years and for always being a guiding light in my life to help me become a responsible person and achieving success. I have immense gratitude and heartfelt respect for sir and ma'am, for school and all my teachers who, despite me being weak in academics, always encouraged me to pursue my dream. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Saranj Juneja. I studied in Manusthali till 2011. Further, I went to Lancaster University for my higher studies, and I'm a builder by profession and a perfumer by passion. So I am totally honored to share my gratitude towards Dr. VK sir on this Founders Day. He was a gem of a person and a great visionary. So I am quite lucky. I went to a great institution like Manusthali, and I got an opportunity to be there for great 8-10 years, and that was the most beautiful part of my life. I cherish those moments until my life. So thank you guys.
Hello everyone, my name is Himanshi Verma and I'm an ex-Manavsthalian. I passed out in year 2011 and I'm a PGT psychology teacher and a psychologist by profession. And on this special occasion of Founders Day, I would like to pay my heartfelt respect and immense gratitude towards Dr. VK Bhatnagar, the founder of the school, and all my teachers. I feel extremely fortunate and blessed to be a part of this organization, and I really respect all my teachers who always inspired us to be the best version of ourselves. Thank you so much. Happy Founders Day.
Greetings to one and all. My name is Ashna Gangwani, a proud Manasthalian, an alumna batch 2012. Today, I'm an accomplished artist. I paint. And I believe I could pursue my creative interests professionally because at an early age at my school level, I was provided with various opportunities, empowered and motivated by my teachers at every step. The strong foundation, core values and principles laid by Founder Chairman Sir Honorable Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar Sir has motivated each and every Manasthalian to transform the ordinary into extraordinary at every step, at every level, right? My heartfelt gratitude and humble pranams to Sir and all the teachers of the institution. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Muskan Kalra from batch 2017. I'm working as a model and I also represented Delhi in EY India 2019 where I was the first runner-up. It is a great opportunity for me to express my gratitude to our Honorable Sir Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar on this Founders Day. His teachings actually helped us so much so that we can excel in our life. So thank you so much, sir, for all your guidance, and thank you so much, Manavsthali, to actually taught us so well so that we can excel in our lives. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Simran. I'm an ex-Manavsthalian and a psychologist by profession. On Founders Day, I'd like to thank Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar and the entire Bhatnagar family for not only establishing this organization, but also for keeping it at its best. I'd like to thank everybody in this organization for making me who I am, in the sense that bringing out the best in me, making me more confident. I was always an introvert. I think, today, me being like this, or me being loving the outside world is because of this beautiful organization, because it taught me how to believe in myself. So thank you so much. My heartfelt gratitude and love for all of you. Thank you.
Hello everyone. This is Simran Sehgal and I am a 2016 graduate of Manasthali School. I am currently working as a senior analyst in Bain Capability Network in the banking and insurance domain. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to extend my gratitude to my teachers for having connected with me to speak a couple of words in this Founders Day, and I would like to just tell them how grateful I am, and it is such a wonderful feeling. Secondly, I know what Founders Day is all about, where you have to say a couple of words about how the school has shaped you and how have they been an inspiration for you. But for me, these are not mere words. This is something that I truly believe, because under the guidance of our visionary leadership, Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar and Mrs. Mamta V. Bhatnagar, I have seen that the school has truly achieved great heights. We as students in 12 years, I spent 12 years in Manasthali, right from my first standard to my 12th, and I've been associated with the school. It's given me such a scope of development and improvement that is beyond measurable and beyond words. Be it the best of academics or be it access to extracurricular activities, I've been imparted with the best that I could have ever asked for. The school, with its activities and the curriculum and the faculty, their motivation, the way they inspire you, helps you develop a lot of other soft skills that are very helpful in your real life when you step out of school or of college in later years, which I realize now in the past couple of years, is that I've learned a lot of discipline. I have learned a lot of dedicating my time and energy to the right resources and investing in myself thoroughly, which has helped me reach where I am and is also helping me strive ahead in my life and career. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank our founding principals, Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar and Mrs. Mamta V. Bhatnagar, the entire faculty that I've been in touch with in my 12 years, and also the faculty members who have directly or indirectly I've touched base with them. They all have in some or the other way inspired me to be a good human being, and in some or the other ways have always helped me have always motivated me and have always pushed me to be the best version of myself, which I think is very rare when you see it at any other school, because Manasthali for me is not just about a place where I used to go and study. For me, it's an institution, it's a second home to me, and it is more like a place that I would call my family now, because it has helped me shape what I am today, and they've always thought the best of us. So I think that in totality is something that I would cherish for life, and that is something that I would always remember. It was my first institution, my first place, and it has helped me so much that it is very difficult to even fade away the memories, even though it's been 5 years now. It's always great to come back to your alma mater and to speak about them, because this is something you would really speak about, something when you feel it from the bottom of my heart, from your heart. And when I speak this, I am truly thankful and grateful, and I speak with my heart full right now for what Manasthali means to me. And I would again like to thank the faculty members for having contacted me, because right now my happiness knows no bounds that I'd be able to contribute to the Founders Day. To all the students who are hearing me out, I would just like to say that Manasthali is the best where you can be. The minute you step out of the school gate, you will remember it for life and you'll realize what you've missed. So make the best and develop the best, because the soft skills that you're going to learn here are something that you'll realize 3 years down the line that they'll always help you. So thank you so much once again to our founding principals, Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar, Mrs. Mamta V. Bhatnagar, the entire faculty, and all the very best to all the students. Happy Founders Day.
Hello everybody, I am Shrutika Madam, an alumni of Manasthali School. I graduated in the year 2016, and here I am in front of you taking opportunity of this platform to thank Manasthali for all the love, values, care that has been put into me throughout my journey.
Today, on the occasion of Founders Day, I would like to share my sincere gratitude to Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar, who has been the man behind the efforts that have been put together during my schooling. With plethora of qualities, virtues, creative bend of mind, and unending desires to do something new, Sir has always inspired us to achieve higher goals. One of my fondest memories that still stays fresh in my mind is getting the opportunity to graciously open the school events by being on stage performing Bharatanatyam in front of Sir. It also reminds me of the time I received the Manav Nrityangana award from Sir during our farewell ceremony. Manav Sali has always played an integral part to push me ahead in both curricular and co-curricular activities, may it be school events, inter-school competitions, or my own travel for representing India abroad through the art form. These opportunities not only helped me in achieving successes, but also gaining confidence in who I am. Throughout my journey in school, I was not only restricted to studies, but was also allowed to explore the numerous possibilities that were of my interest. After completing my bachelor's from Lady Shri Ram College for Women, I completed my post-graduation and today I am successfully placed in a well-reputed firm as an interior designer and stylist.
I take pride to be a Manavsthalian and thank all the people in my journey to help me grow to where I am today.
Thank you, ma'am, for inspiring, guiding, and shaping a future. I would want you to know that without a doubt, you are the best mentor in the history ever. You are the one who inspired the complete Manavsthali fraternity to grow in life. The unique knowledge which was given by Sir to the complete Manavsthali fraternity help us to shape a future and do great in life. Your guidance will always help us to excel in life and all the tasks that we do. You are the one who guided us and helped us to take the right decisions of life. It's just because of your blessings the Manavsthalians are inspired today to do wonders across the world. I have never seen Saraswati, but I have seen you. Thank you once again.
Hi everyone, this is Riddhi Makkar from Batch 2020, currently studying Mass Communication and Journalism from St. Xavier's College, Mumbai. I joined Manavsthali back in 4th standard and my journey from school to college has indeed been very beautiful and obviously worth remembering. Apart from what our school has to offer in terms of education, infrastructure and co-curricular, our founder, Sir Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar, has inspired me in many ways. He is an epitome of determination, success and hard work. True that I wasn't fortunate enough to interact much with him on a personal level, but now when I think of him, I remember a self-made man. I remember a man who motivated us to go after what we want, and I wish to carry forward all these values in the future. A very happy Founders Day to the Manavsthali family. Sir, you live in our hearts.
I'm Mansi Gambhir, pass out of batch 2020. Currently, I'm pursuing BTech Mechanical from VIT Vellore. Dr. V.K. Bhatnagar, an inspiration to thousands of people whose footsteps are being followed religiously by all of us. Sir was a great visionary and philosopher with an untiring zeal to create new vistas in the field of education. He had always believed that excellence was never an accident. It's always the result of high intention, sincere efforts, intelligent direction, and skillful execution. He instilled the students with strong character, high moral values, deep-rooted respect for Indian traditions, with logical, scientific, creative, and progressive outlook. Sir is indeed a true legend.